In the lunchtime traffic in Jinan, the three red vans don't initially stand out. But the sequence of Chinese characters they bear pose a controversial question, asking why in 2019 homosexuality is still categorised as a mental disorder. Inspired by the film Three Billboards outside Ebbing, Missouri, the vans are the idea of a group of young artists who are attempting to tour China, campaigning against conversion clinics where doctors claim electro-shock therapy can cure homosexuality. On the day we were with him, artist Wu Laobai was secretly filmed having a fake consultation. The doctor began by telling him being gay was caused by anxiety. Wu was also taken for a brain scan. He told me it had made him more determined to continue with the campaign.
We have to do something to promote gay rights and abolish these clinics which claim to make people straight.
There are still almost 100 conversion clinics across the country offering shock treatment. Xiao Zhen went through it 5 years ago.
It's not strong physical harm, but it's frightened. Yeah.
He says there's now more awareness, but not much progress.
Because every day all LGBT community experience harmful discrimination in school, in their family, in the society, in work, employment.
Although in big cities like Shanghai there are regular and well-supported pride events, most of the estimated 70 million homosexual men and women in China are not openly gay. Homosexuality may no longer be illegal here, but with LGBT content still heavily censored and in some cases banned on television, in print and online, there remains a widespread lack of understanding and acceptance.
I think gays are bad because a man and a woman are meant to be together. It's not easy for elderly people to accept them, but us young people can try and make people understand better.
To embark on a campaign like this in China takes courage, and how far they get could be an indication of how willing society is to listen. Debbie Edward, News at 10, Shandong Province.